In this video, I'll be walking you through step by step on how to apply to this prestigious university in United Arab Emirates and explore its amazing scholarship opportunity with no application fees. It's open to all international students pursuing their bachelor's and master's programs, as well as those in medicine courses. The perks in this scholarship includes full tuition fees, monthly allowance, free textbook allowance, housing allowance, and many more. Sounds interesting? Let's explore this together. Hi, my name is Sylvia and welcome back to the channel. Click the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to the channel. Turn on your notification bell to get notified on new videos like this. Welcome to the official website of Khalifa University. This is the prestigious university in United Arab Emirates that is offering this wonderful scholarship opportunity to all international students. And when we scroll down, we could see that they have College of Engineering, College of Arts and Science, College of Medicine and Health Sciences. If you're interested in any of these fields, please watch this video to the end so that you can see how to apply to these courses free of charge. So once we navigate to the top here and hover your mouse, you could see admission. So let's go straight to the undergraduate admissions. On the undergraduate admissions, if you scroll down, you could see how to apply. And it gives you the step in which you would make this application. Is basically in 3 steps. The step 1 says select the program you want to study. In a bit, we are going to click on this to explore the programs. Step 2 says know the application deadlines. Admission for the fall 2023 will start 16 January and will be open until 2nd of June. So the deadline for all undergraduate program is 2nd of June. And here it also says international applicants who graduated from high school up to 2 years, including transfer students, so are eligible to apply. So if you just graduated from high school and your degree is up to 2 years old, you can still apply. Step 3, review the admission requirements. Because we're going to be applying online, it says required documents that need to be submitted when applying online. So basically, you're going to be needing the first is a completed online form, an attestation of the copy of your high school certificate, TOEFL, good conduct certificate, passports. For international students, copy of passport name page. They also say passport size photograph. Step 4 says review our scholarships for undergraduates. So these are the scholarships that they have, but we're going to come in a bit to that. And step 5 is submit your application. So this is just basically going to be in 5 steps. And quickly, I want to just take us down to the frequently asked questions. Feel free to look through any of them that is important to you. You can also view more to see more of those questions. So I want to point out one thing on this question. When are the final decisions made? So they said after you might have submitted your application online, that the admission committee will review your application within 3 to 6 weeks to let you know their decision regarding your application. So let's look at the undergraduate programs that they have. So once you click on this tab, it brings you basically to the programs that they have for undergraduate. These are the undergraduate programs. So they have in College of Engineering, College of Arts and Sciences, the minors that they offer. So basically, just feel free, look through these programs and see which is appealing to you. And your Doctor of Medicine, you will simply just click on Doctor of Medicine here, and it will bring you to this page, and you will see what is required of you. And here it says that the deadline is 30th of April for Doctor of Medicine. And once this is what you want, you just click here on the Apply Now. But before you do that, please feel free to look through the admission requirements, what it requires of you if you want to study medicine with them. So take your time, you go through it. Please note that incomplete applications will not be considered. And candidates preferable to be below 30 years old. For the graduate program, you click on postgraduate admission. It brings you down here. You would still see the same steps, but important thing to note is that they said that the admission deadline for graduate program is until the Sunday, the 30th of April, 2023. So please note this down. And also this is for second cycle, which would be 30th of April. So note that this is second cycle application because the first cycle is already over. So let us look at the undergraduate scholarships that they have. So once it loads here, it shows you the undergraduate scholarships. And here they have scholarship for the national students, and they have international and also external sponsors. So we click on international scholarships, and here you can see full scholarships and partial scholarships. So they have these two types of scholarships, and when you expand them, you can see that this is called the President Scholarship, and this is what is required of you. But here, importantly, I want to point out that it says there is no separate application to submit for scholarship at Khalifa University. So once you make the application for studies, you are considered automatically for this scholarship. And for you to be granted scholarship, you need to have 3.3 CGPA and above to be able to gain the 100% tuition fee, and 3.0 to 3.29, you will get 75%, 2.0 to 2.99, you get 50%, and if you have less than 2.0, there is no scholarship regarding the tuition fees. And the same goes for the College of Medicine. And yeah, they say this is the new eligibility criteria. And also the same goes for the partial scholarship. When we click on it, you would also come here and read through what they require. And the same thing, there is no separate application form for this. And this is what you have: 50% tuition for 3.0 and above, and 2.5 to 2.9, 25%, and 2.0 to 2.49, 10%. Same goes for the scholarship of College of Science. So feel free to look through it and know what is relating to you. So let's look through the graduate scholarship and see what is covered there. So just click on this and it will redirect you to this page where you see first, you will click on scholarship for international students. And here they said KU medical scholarship. So they have scholarship for medical students, and this includes monthly stipend, full university tuition paid by the university, support to attend educational events locally and internationally, housing in university, textbooks are provided. And also when you click on the graduate research/teaching scholarship, you would also have full coverage of tuition, monthly stipend of 4,000, medical insurance cover, support to attend researches, mobilization and demobilization flight assistance. I mean, this is really good. It also has combined master's and doctoral research teaching scholarship, as well as the doctoral research teaching scholarship. So just go through it and see what's is applicable to you. If you're getting value from this content, I'd like you to give it a big thumbs up and also share it to your family and friends. And this is China Scholarship Council, and this is to highly qualified Chinese nationals. This includes monthly stipends, flight tickets, full waiver of tuition fee, university accommodation, free textbooks, visa processing cost, medical insurance, and yes, so feel free to forward this to any of your friends that you know that are Chinese. So once you're okay and you want to apply for the undergraduate program as well as graduates or PhD, you just hit the apply button, bring you to this interface where you would create an account if you are a first-time user, or you log in if you have already signed in. I will go ahead and click on create an account. And here I have to register with my email address, first name and last name. I click on continue. Here it says a temporary print has been sent to your email. If you did not receive this, so I'm going to check my email address. It says feel free to check the junk mail folder. And here I go over to my mailbox, and this is the email, and this is the pin that they're talking about. I'm going to copy this like so and paste it here. I'm going to put my birth date once again and click on login. So here it asks me to set a password for this, and you have to meet all of these criteria. Once you're done, you set password and it brings you to this interface. So now everything is all set for me, and the only thing I need to do is to say start new application. And here I would say create application, and it loads this application for me and says Application details started on this day, status is in progress, and here I would say open application. And this is the guideline. You read through all of this, understand what it's all about, and you click on continue. It brings me automatically to the personal information tab. So this is basically where I fill everything that I have not filled initially, like the marital status, put single, and the rest. And once you're done, you click on continue. It goes to the next one, contact information. For any reason you want to jump this, you can easily click on the next one, school information, for example. It brings you straight to where you would fill your school information details. Now it asks, have you already graduated from high school? If you have, yes, and if not, you said no. So you would basically add new to put in all your details. So this is pretty very simple and straightforward. I mean, I don't think this is going to be difficult. So you just basically go through all of this, and once you're done, you will click on review. It tells you if there is any section that has error. For example, for me, because I have not filled anything, it's telling me we detected the following errors. So basically, I have not filled out all the necessary tabs required. And if you want to also save for later, you can save and come back later and continue. This is pretty much it. Please like and share this video for others to benefit from it. Subscribe to the channel if you have not done so until now. Drop your comments and concerns below and I would respond to each of them. And with this, I want to say thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.